After the shock of the rapid spread of the COVID-19 outbreak, you may be worried that will not be able to study abroad this year. An increasing number of universities and countries world over are introducing measures to battle the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, including temporary visa lockdowns, due to which representatives of universities are unable to reach their countries and conduct educational fairs. If this all concerns you, then this video is just for you. Check it out. A growing number of prospective international students are considering changing their study abroad plans. A recent study conducted by QS shows how study abroad plans of 40% students were affected by the current global health crisis, although the impact varied from country to country. While it's inevitable that students' attitude to studying abroad will change as the situation escalates, it's crucial that universities focus on how they can support students during this difficult time. Almost all the universities are initiating online learning in place of face-to-face teaching. In a recent QS interview, many expressed an appreciation for online learning and being able to continue their studies. Many international students who were already enrolled were unable to reach their home countries. Well, every college and university which enrolls international students has an office to support them. Parents and family members of these international students can also be in contact with this department if they have questions or concerns. Further, if a student plans to study abroad in the future, their program most likely require an international insurance plan. Be aware of the coverage for medical emergencies and evacuation. If this situation continues further than July, universities will adapt to these changing conditions. Universities are just as affected by the condition as are students and will adjust their application and enrollment deadlines to fit the changes according to their academic year schedule. I have provided the link of the website in the description where you can see the updates and actions taken by the universities all over the world. Maybe you are not convinced that this situation will be solved that soon and you have decided that it's better to postpone your international studies for the next year. Or maybe you want to change your initial destination because it's one of the most affected areas by the virus. There's no problem with that. There are many cities and universities world over which are not that much affected by the pandemic. Also, just because you're not starting this year doesn't mean you can't start researching your future study options and decide by January 2021 when the new application begins. Also, you will be glad to know that there are many universities world over which have started more online bachelor's and master's degree with rolling admissions, meaning you can apply at any time. No matter which one of the previous options you are going to choose in the future, you should not give up on your personal development right now. There is an abundance of online short courses to keep you learning and help you manage your time staying at home. I have provided some useful links for the same in the description. Also, for more daily updates and facts and study abroad videos, don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms, whose link is provided here. Stay home, stay safe.